It truly is a special place, a stadium every football fan should visit should he or she get the important stage of this cup competition, the semi-final stage. It's Real Madrid up against Bayern Munich.
Well done.
Here's the initial 11 for Bayern.
Well, I think they have a...
Coman. And space for him to cut in. And he takes it on. Well, able to close down the shot. Coman. Space and time for the cross. And there it is! The first goal in the semi-final! A huge moment!
Finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Well, the ball is moving again. Can Bayern come up with the right reply? Benzema has eyes for goal. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion. Well, a second goal for them here. Can they create something? Now shot happy here. And tremendous goalkeeping.
Well, he just made it so difficult for the striker. His presence alone just caused him a problem.
Finally gathered by the keeper.
Well, that's a really good recovery. He had to be smart there.
Well, the attack showed promise, but easy work for the keeper in the end. A very good tackle. Leon Goretzka. And here's Joshua Kimmich. He read the situation defensively and did his job. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Well, it petered out. An awful lot of green space to run into. Opportunity for them to get back into the game. Oh, a superb save. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid.
Well, those stats show us that Real Madrid haven't had that much of the ball, but their attacking play has been really incisive. It's been a really good display from them so far.
Could be a chance to break here. All hands on deck. It's still alive. Oh, magnificent from the keeper. Fantastic stop. And clears the danger. Vinicius. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. So on the cusp of half-time and Real Madrid well on top. Stuart, interested as always to get your take.
Yeah, they're playing really well here. They've controlled the flow of the game, they've won their individual battles, and they've created numerous chances. Their only problem in the second half could be complacency, but I can't see that happening.
Wonderfully weighted pass. Well, it looked like a decent avenue of attack, but he couldn't keep himself onside.
Well, he's just a bit too eager there. All well and good play on the shoulder, but he just needs to bend his run to stay onside.
Lewandowski. Here's Hernandez. Bayern pushing forward with options available. Now this could really lift spirits. Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. Vinicius Junior. Moving forward effectively. Is it going to be? Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. So the corner played into the box. And he clears the danger. And that is that. So the ball is moving again. And you've got to say a below-par effort from Bayern in the first half. Will things be different in the second? The pass could do damage. A goal! And it seems they're truly cruising to victory here.
Well, here we can see it again. It's a lovely ball in behind, perfect in time, and then through on goal, he just goes to power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, on the go again, and Real very much in control. Alaba comes up with it. And space to cross it. Gnabry. Body in the way. Gets in the way once more. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. And he's made headway. The defender put in the challenge, and it might be a red card. And it was always going to be crystal clear for the referee in terms of the decision.
Well, he had to make a tackle, didn't he? Unfortunately, it wasn't a good one.
And Bayern will change personnel now. Any goalkeeper would be disappointed if he didn't save that. Sané. And that's great work to keep it in play. Thomas Müller. Gnabry. 30 minutes left for play. Benzema. Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there. Let's see about the delivery. He's not testing the keeper at all with that cross.
Well, as those stats tell us, their attacking play today has been exceptional. Defenders have come out at the right time, midfield have completely dominated the game, and the front players' movement has been excellent.
Good work to regain possession. Bodies forward, and the break looks on. Do they have the guile to... Oh, at one point on its flight, it looked as though it might be going in.
Well, he wasn't afraid to have a go, was he? And you can see why. That was so close to being a great goal.
It's a substitution for Bayern. Well, we have 20 minutes left in this game. Disappointing pass. A free kick decision going the way of Bayern. Short and along the ground. Lovely work to get past his man. Well, he certainly wasn't offside by a mile. Benzema. Vinicius. Less than convincing defending. That ball was put into the right area, but no one able to capitalise. Well, close to the end of this contest, and Real Madrid absolutely cruising. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
Vinicius Junior. And threading it forward, just unable to take advantage of that developing situation. Sané. And a poor attempt at a challenge, and on he goes. Breaking at pace. Benzema's pass, not accurate enough. Body on the line. And Bayern will change personnel now. Elects to go short, and sent in by Sané. It comes to absolutely nothing. Kimmich. He continues his run. Terrific save. Vinicius Junior. Effective challenge. And that's it. Official now. Real Madrid have made it to the final.
Well, what a display that was. Their attacking play was breathtaking at times, and they completely dominated in midfield, which then allowed the fullbacks to get forward to great effect. They'll surely be favourites going into the final.